Hi students, today let's discuss factorization using algebraic identities. See, when the polynomial is a perfect square, then we can factorize it by using the algebraic identities. So what we do here is we try to get the solution by expressing the given polynomial in the form of the above identities. So now we have these three identities: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. So the given question has to be matched with this format, and once it matches, then we can come to a solution. So let's understand this by a simple example. The first example we have is 9y square minus 30y plus 25. Now we try to match this with a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So why we have taken a minus b whole square? Because we have a minus sign here. We have 9y square minus 30y plus 25. So we have taken the identity a minus b whole square. Okay. Now see, this 9y square can be written as 3y whole square. And this 25 can be written as 5 whole square. Now the middle term is minus 30y. Now we'll try to match this with our 2ab, this part. So if it matches with 2ab, then we can have the solution as a plus b whole square, isn't it? Okay, now see, we have 3y square here and we have 5 square here. So this we can take it as a square, and this we can take it as b square. Now let's see the 2ab part. So we need to match this with 30y. Now 30y can be written as 2 into 15y, which can be further written as 2 into 3 into 5y. So now see here, 3 is our part of A and 5 is our B. So it is now matching. So let us rearrange it and see. This a square is 3y square, so my a will be 3y, and here b is 5 square, so b will be 5. Okay, so now see, this 30y can be written as 2 into 5 into 3y. 5 3 is a 15 into 2 30. So 5 is my b here and 3y is my a. So now we can arrange this polynomial as 9y square minus 2 into 5 into 3y plus 25. So this becomes 3y whole square minus 2 into 5 into 3y plus 5 square. So this is basically 3y minus 5 whole square. So this is our answer. So let's go to the next example. See, here we have 4 upon 25x square minus 9 upon 49y square. So now see, this can be written as 2 by 5 x whole square minus 3 by 7 y whole square. Okay, so this we can take it as our a square, and this we can take it as our b square. So it is basically difference of 2 square now. So we know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So my a here becomes 2 by 5x and b becomes 3 by 7y. So now we can express this as a plus b into a minus b as a solution. So this will become 2 by 5x plus 3 by 7y a plus b into a minus b, that is 2 by 5x minus 3 by 7y. So this part is my a plus b of the identity and this part is a minus b of the identity. So we have used this identity a square minus b square to get the solution for this expression. Okay, so now you can leave it here, or if you want you can further simplify it. You can take the LCM and you can do one more step if you want. So if you take the LCM will be 35. So this becomes 14x plus 15y. Here also LCM is 35. So it will be 14x minus 15y. So this can be your final answer. So let's take another question. So this is what we have. 64a square minus 9b square plus 42bc minus 49c square. Now if you look carefully, we have a square, b square, bc and c square. So when we have bc here, so we'll have to take this as the middle term. So we'll take this part together and this part we'll keep it separate. So now see 64a square can be written as 8a whole square minus 9b square can be written as 3b whole square, and this is the middle term 42bc. We'll write it as it is minus 49c square can be written as 9c whole square. Okay, so now this part let us solve it first. So here we have 3b square plus 42bc minus 9c square. So now take this middle term. So 42 can be written as 2 into 21bc. Okay, and it can be further written as 2 into 21 is 7 3s are 21. 1 minute, this is not 9 square, this will be 7 square. So 49 is basically 7c, 49c square is 7c whole square. Okay, so 21 can be written as 3 into 7 bc, or we can write it as 2 into 3b into 7c. So now see this part has become 2ab part. So if we take this as our a square and this if we take as b square, so my a will be equal to 3b and my b will be equal to 7c. So now see 3b is our a and 7c is our b. So we got this 2ab format. So now if you write it, it will become 3b. Now let us rearrange it. So this is our 8a whole square. Let's take this minus common. So what we'll get here? We'll get 3b square minus 42bc plus 7c whole square. Okay, you're getting it in this form. So now see, this is my a minus b whole square, where my a is 3b and my b is 7c. So this becomes a minus b whole square. So a is 3b minus 7c whole square, and this term 8a square, and we have taken this minus as common. So now we get this term. After solving this much, we are getting 8a square minus 3b minus 7c whole square. Now let's see what we can do with this. Here we have got difference of 2 square. So we can take this 8a square as one expression. Let it be x, and we can take 3b minus 7c whole square as the second expression. Let it be y, or x square y square, and we have a minus here. So this can be written as x square minus square will be x plus y into x minus y. We are using this identity here. So now see what we'll get as the answer. So 8a is my x, so we have 8a, y is 3b minus 7c, so 8a plus 3b minus 7c, this will be in bracket, and the other term will be x minus y. So x is 8a minus y is 3b minus 7c. Now let's open the bracket. So we'll have 8a plus 3b minus 7c here, and we'll have 8a minus 3b plus 7c. So this will be your answer. Let's go to the last question. Okay, so we have 5.3 whole square minus 3.3 whole square divided by 11.2 whole square minus 2 into 11.2 into 1.1 plus 1.2 whole square. Okay, so now carefully looking at this expression, what we get, see the numerator is difference of 2 squares, and this we can match with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now first let's take the numerator. So numerator is basically 5.3 whole square minus 3.3 whole square. So this is basically our a square, this is my b square. So a is 5.3 and my b is 3.3. So this can be written as a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a is 5.3, b is 3.3, so plus 3.3 into a minus b, so 5.3 minus 3.3. So this becomes 8. So this becomes 8.6, and this becomes 3 cancelled 2. So this becomes 2 here. So this is my numerator n. Now let us come to the denominator. So denominator is what? 11.2 whole square minus 2, 11.2, 1.2 plus 1.2 whole square. So this we are going to match with this part. So this can be my A square, this can be my B square. So A will be 11.2, B will be 1.2. Now see, this is my A, this is my B, and we have a 2 here. So this is becoming my 2AB part. So what we can do, this is becoming A plus A minus B whole square. So this becomes my A minus B whole square. So now what I can write is 11.2, which is my A, minus B is 1.2 whole square. So this will become 11.2 minus 1.2. This is basically 10 whole square, which is equal to 100. Okay, so let us form the original expression. It was numerator by denominator, isn't it? So numerator we got 8.6 into 2 and denominator is 100. Okay, so 8.6 into 2 will be 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16, 17.2 divided by 100. So this will become 0.172 as the answer. Okay students, we'll close the session here. Please share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.